all of my favorite affordable makeup products. Let's get started. The best primer that I have seen for my oily skin has been this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This has been so good. Really mattifies your skin, blurs out your pores. It does the job, or it doesn't make my makeup look very patchy or anything. For foundations, honestly मैंने इतनी foundation testing नहीं की है because बहुत मुश्किल होता है online में अपना shade ढूंढना. And I've been using the Fit Me foundation for years now. I'm in the shade 128 warm nude, and I don't think there's a foundation better than this in the market for this price. It gives really good coverage. It's very lightweight. It's amazing. The second best thing to fit me would be the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. So this foundation has SPF 16 in it. जब भी किसी foundation में SPF होता है, the foundation oxidizes like crazy. When you apply it on your skin, it's normal, but in 5 minutes it turns orange. So basically, if you're buying this, buy like 2-3 shades lighter than your skin tone. But if I talk about the formula is so good. It is very lightweight. It's very runny consistency. It's very full coverage. And I can see that it's matte, but it has that like loomy, a little bit of a glowy finish to it. With concealers, this is my expertise because I usually don't use foundations. I use concealers. I'm wearing only concealer today. This is the Lakme Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is the most full coverage thing ever to exist. It is so full coverage. I just apply like 5 dots on my face and it covers my entire face. The only downside is that इसके सिर्फ 2-3 shades ही available है इंडिया में. I happen to be a perfect match of the shade 314. The second one is this Swiss Beauty concealer. As you can see, I've used it up a lot. मैंने college में बहुत use किया है ये. And honestly, this is also pretty full coverage. Not as thick and full coverage as the L'Oreal one, but still pretty full coverage. It does come in a lot of shades, so you can definitely find your shade. It doesn't really feel heavy on my eyes. This is perfect for like if you're on a budget because it is very affordable. So really good one. This next one is one of those products wherein you love the product but hate the packaging. It is the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser. You can see it's empty. I've used it up pura. This sponge really does not do anything. The formula is very good. It's like medium to full coverage, but it is really good and it does come with a lot of shades. So if you don't mind the packaging, then you can definitely go with this one. Another similar product to the Age Rewind is the Fit Me concealer. Both of these are like similar coverage, like medium coverage concealers, but they're very lightweight on the skin. They don't feel very heavy. Let's talk about my favorite topic to talk about when it comes to makeup. That's blushes. Last year, my favorite blush was Maybelline Sun Kisser blush. This video is not sponsored by Maybelline whatsoever. I wish it was, but it's not. I just really think that affordable category mein Maybelline is the best brand because they are very consistent. That's why a lot of the products here are from Maybelline. This is a blush to stain formula. So when you apply it, it's a cream blush, but it actually stains your cheeks. तो ये पूरे दिन रहता है. मैं इसे सुबह यूज करती थी, फिर मैं कॉलेज जाती थी, मैं पूरे दिन वीडियोस बनाती थी एंड फिर रात को व्हेन आई वुड टेक ऑफ माय मेकअप तब भी ये ब्लश होता था. सो इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ब्लश. मैंने एक्चुअली ऑलमोस्ट खत्म कर दिया. इमेजिन मैंने एक ब्लश खत्म किया है तो मुझे कितना पसंद होगा. अनदर फेवरेट ऑफ माइन हैज बीन दिस फे ब्यूटी वन. इट्स अ वेरी लाइक नो बीएस ब्लश. इट्स अ क्रीम ब्लश. बहुत आराम से ब्लेंड हो जाता है. आई एम एक्चुअली वेयरिंग इट टुडे. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, बट इट्स नॉट वेरी लॉन्ग lasting because it's not a stain, so of course like it's not very long lasting. Really good shade range, so very good one. Swiss Beauty Cream It Up blush. It's a very nice blush. Again, a very creamy, very buildable formula. The concern that I have with this is कि ये जम गया. But if I put my entire जान भी लगा दूंगी मैं तब भी जाके इतना सा निकलेगा. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर और समथिंग. अभी तो भारी दिल्ली की गर्मियां ऐसी भी नहीं है कि ठंड है तो ये जम गया हो, बट half of the product is still in the bottle, so that's my one concern with this. Other than that, it's an amazing blush and it is actually very long lasting also. Etude Dear Darling Water Tint. Honestly, this is a very good product if you have very good skin. If you have dry patches, this will cling on to your dry patches. अगर dry patches नहीं है तो it looks very beautiful. It stays on for like the whole day. It's an amazing product. Sugar Cosmetics powder blush. This shade specifically, it's very good to set your cream blush and it keeps it set for hours. J Note Cosmetics ka blush. I wanted a blush that I can like keep in my bag, which I can use throughout the day. It's one of those, you know, old style blushes जिसमें blushes होता है and then when you open it up, it comes with a brush so you can apply it when you are outside. Honestly, the blush is very, very nice. Talking about eyebrows, the eyebrow pencil I used for years though has been this one. It's from Blue Heaven. It comes with like the pencil on one side and like a spoolie on the other side. Honestly, it does the job. It's a very simple, very affordable eyebrow pencil. I only use powders for my eyebrows, so I use this palette. I use it every day. This is how it looks. It comes with these three colors, and I usually use this one and this one mixed together, brush and like the spoolie. It also has a mirror. It's a very cutesy packaging. I really love this product. So this is my favorite setting powder. This is better than the Fit Me one. I have to say it, मैंने Fit Me वाला भी use किया है. This one is so much better. It actually keeps your makeup locked in for hours and hours. It is also available in a lot of shades, and I also really love the packaging of it. Like it comes with the blocker and everything so that your powder doesn't get everywhere. Very, very underrated product. And then for compact powders, I've had my favorite for years, and I have used so many of these in my college life. मैं यही लगा के जाती थी, so I would not use any concealer or anything. I would just put compact on my face. It comes with like a powder puff like this, and then you have the product. It also has a pretty good coverage. If you're not applying any concealer or anything, you can just use this on your face and just like pat it, kind of like a powder foundation. So I'm not really an eyeliner person. बहुत कम eyeliner लगाती हूँ, but I have put eyeliner today. My two favorite eyeliners. So I usually use a pen eyeliner because it's way easier than using like a proper liquid wala eyeliner. This is from ELF. It's just like drawing. It's so easy to use. It doesn't dry out. It's very matte. It's very consistent with the pigment. It's very, very good. The Sugar Pop. Now this is a proper liquid liner. If you are a pro at doing eyeliner, I would say use this because liquid liners बहुत मुश्किल होते हैं for beginners. ये इतना मैट है, इतना ब्लैक है. वेरी, वेरी गुड eyeliner. eyeliner की बात करी तो let's also talk about kajal. The Rene Hard Black Kajal, the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. I'm also not a huge mascara person. मैं usually बहुत कम mascara लगाती हूँ because I hate the removing process. But if I do, I usually go in with the Sky High mascara. Formula is not very liquidy, which I like, and I also really love the wand. If you're on a budget and want something for an even better price, then you can never go wrong with the Colossal. इसका formula थोड़ा सा thick है, so I think इसलिए कभी कभी it gives clump lashes kind of clump together. For the price point, it's a really, really good option. My recent everyday palette has been this palette from K Beauty. So this is their quad palettes. It's in the shade Power. This is like the perfect everyday palette. Honestly, it comes with these four shades. इसमें ये light peach shade, pink shade, brown, and then black. Honestly, I'm not a huge colorful eyeshadow person. मैं यूजुअली बहुत न्यूट्रल ब्राउन ब्लैकिश और समटाइम्स लाइक पिंकिश लुक्स करती हूँ तो दिस पैलेट इज लाइक परफेक्ट फॉर मी दे वेरी पिगमेंटेड द क्वालिटी एंड द पैकेजिंग it's amazing. I really like these palettes. These are from Makeup Revolution. I got these for a set of two for like 900 rupees. So this is like the neutral one. This is in the shade Hypnotic. This has shimmer shades in it, pinks in it, grays, blacks, browns. It's so many colors. Honestly, if you buy these two set, I don't think you need another palette because इसमें सारे colors हो गए. This one is in the shade Marvelous Mattes. This is more like all matte shimmers, but more like colorful. So if you're like an artist, you really love doing colorful looks, then this one would be like a great palette for you. Makeup Revolution actually has some of the best eyeshadows in my opinion. Eyeshadow palettes are truly amazing. To set everything in place, we will need a setting spray. I use this one from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. इसका dewy finish भी आता है. If you have oily skin, you should go with the matte one. This does help your makeup to stay. Before I used to not use setting spray, मेरा makeup, मेरा foundation disappear हो जाता था. But now when I use this, my foundation does stay for like the whole day. Very small sa, you can travel with it. Very cute sa product. Tell me in the comments if I missed something. Comments may help other people find more affordable products as well. Like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.